So we were there in our previous tutorial. Okay, so I was discussing about the Twilio. Twilio provide one REST API for using that is available in different languages to support sending messages and call. There is a trial account that you can use how to integrate with Twilio, how Twilio is working. Whenever you are in production, you have to pay. So it's a great thing, great API. There is another various APIs for doing such kind of things, but I will rate Twilio is very good API written by the Twilio developers for making sending SMS and for the phone calls. It's my experience. So there is a simple 3 or 4 line code for making a call. Okay, there is a phone calls and I made one class. There is a function and account SID which I got from the Twilio and an auth token which I got from Twilio. Once you will log in, when you log in, there will be one account SID and auth token will be there for you. You have to use that and have to put there. And one number you have to buy, that I buy one number, this, and this is the number where I am calling right now. If I will make it my number, then there will be the call on my number. Okay, and here is one URL that I have put on the basis of excellent options. You will listen, and I'm gonna show that what kind of file I've made. That input XML, user input XML. So there will be the verb gather. Okay, there is a parent verb response, and it is just a Twilio markup language where there is one parent verb that is response. After that there is a gather, then say. Okay, inside the actions you can put, if you want to do something else after that, pressing the key. So that there will be an action method gather, and this one you can learn more in detail too. So after that there will be the greetings regarding to our company, that there is thanks for using the custom OC simplified. This call is important for us. Press 1 for this, press 2 for this, press 3 for this, press 8 for it once, and press 9 to call to our executive. Okay. After that, if you are not responding, there will be the message we didn't respond, we didn't receive an input. So that kind of structure understand. Okay, like in the previous app I have made this app. Okay, so everything is done. You have to import these, but like what I said, there is a need of dependencies, and by default is imported in your project. On random numbers, you don't need that. I made that for different purpose. Not need, this is also not need. You need that only 2 things, and 16.py you have put in your source folder. So now when you gonna deploy that, like what I said, go to the source folders, right click on it, Python App Engines, and there is an option of upload. Now it's uploading our files on cloud. One more thing about the Google App Engine, I just want to say that within 2 minutes you will be in cloud. That's a very great things that Google App Engine is providing us. Using Google App Engine, you are using the same things whatever the Gmail and various services, map, search of the Googles are using. So it's a great thing if you are using the same data store what the Gmail is using, then that is a great thing. So you don't have to worry about managing the servers, which is very headache. Great headache for the developers. You don't have to worry about that kind of things if you are using Google App Engines. Okay, so it have uploaded my servers. So I have uploaded my files all in the cloud. Here's an URL for that. There is an ID that I'm using, C-Simplify IT voice service. Okay, then go for this. I'm pressing 1 minute. Look at that. There is a call on my number. If I'm receiving that call, okay.
Thanks for the customer Simplify IT. To call 424, press 1 to listen to national news. Press 2 to listen to dial the tone. Press 3 to listen to broadcast on Ashman Kurana. Press 8 to listen to 1-4. Press 9 to talk to our executive.
And when you press 2, there will be a song for you. Okay, that kind of structure are made. You can disconnect at any point. And corresponding to two option, when you selected, what happened? That will go to the file, because I have made one action, that is progressgather.jsp. So the response will be there. And inside that I have taken the responses of the user what he have pressed, and on the basis of that I am selecting two options, and I have file uploaded in my directory, that is turn.gangnamstyle.mp3. so I have played that. And if you want to call to executives at the times when you pressed 9, there will be the call to executives. This is options that you can add in dial wall, that is voice action is a voice recording in JSP and record true. Okay, the record is equal to 2. Then after that, when you call something, there will be recording corresponding with that. So it's a very handy kind of Twilio markup language. It's very easy to use and very effective for building that kind of systems that will be helpful for organizations. So Twilio providing that kind of things that is helpful for some organizations that will have their customer for providing services. So that kind of infrastructure can be built very effectively using the Twilio, and the Twilio is very great API written by the Twilio developers. So kind of things are made. It's very easy. Thanks for watching this video, and for getting latest updates regarding to the technology, stay with us, stay with C-Simplify IT. Goodbye.